guys, how's it going? So it's now Friday and I need to be in Manchester by Monday morning, and I haven't really got very far around North Wales, to be honest. So time's running out. I'm gonna head up to like the north of Anglesey today, and then I need to go and see a couple of friends, need to fit them in for sure. Let's go. Come to Cantar Valley to see if the hawks are flying.
I keep on playing, like, every day I would play one of your videos to Zeus so he can at least, like, you know, get familiar with your voice. So when he sees you, he knows it's you.
Ah.
Because I don't think you remember using
No. What is it? Is it a beach? Is it a beach? Oh my god. Have you seen the stick that dog's got? Oh, have you? Nice beach. Good suggestion, Craig. I think that island needs a drone flying around it. Alright guys, how is it going? So it's Saturday now, I'm getting close to the end of this North Wales trip. It's been pretty awesome, to be fair. I've seen some nice places. The weather couldn't have been any better at all. Well lucky. So I'm going to finish the trip off by going to see my good friends Louie and Harley, who live in they've converted an old school into a really cool living space just by Llangollen somewhere, which is obviously another beautiful place in North Wales. So I'm going to do a little bit of shopping. Again, doing so much shopping recently. Beans, loads of beans. And then you'll get to meet Louie and Harley. And then off to Manchester the next day. I don't know what you're thinking, but I'm thinking that bridge needs a drone flying underneath it. Yeah. can smell it around here. It's like really strong wild garlic. It's lovely. Tight like a tiger. This is just gonna get in. Sweet. That's tight on it.
Hi. Welcome to our house.
We chilled in the evening sunshine, enjoyed a barbecue, ready for tomorrow's adventure. Going down to the river for a little fresh dip. It's gonna be quite fresh, I think.
Cold.
You gotta let go! You gotta let go again! Good girl! That's the first time she's done that.
The bed will back up into here, like at a height that's enough to get some stuff under it,
Yeah.
bikes and whatever, and try and make the most of it. But this curve is something we've got to get past first, like getting the cladding up around the curve, and then clad the roof and put a vent in, and then that door, as you said, is going to be the...
Yeah, the door's the challenge, isn't it? Sealing this, making this have a seal.
But if you get it down, then you'll see where the patio is going to be. With a log burner on the end, barbecue seat, or a dog. Hot dogs. It's too thin.
Put it the other way now.
Huh?
Put it that way.
Yeah, but this isn't the right stuff.
Yeah,
No.
but it's not about you.
Well, it is half about me.
Yeah, but like, if it's like, there's going to be a bed there. I just need somebody to screw from the outside
Is that
in.
Ah, right, to keep them there.
Keep it there,
Yeah.
so I couldn't do it by myself. So then the cladding goes that way.
Again, right, I'd try and use that frame, you know, instead of drilling through the skin. Or
Yeah.
you could use adhesive to put that there. You need something like Sikaflex. When's it going to be ready, Lou?
About 2020. It's been here about a year and a half anyway. We did all this cladding in like a week, and then that's how it's been ever since. The house took over.
Yeah. Bike ride day. Let's next one involves pubs though. After quite some time in the pub, Poe faked an injury to help us get a lift. Got a lift up the hill, haven't we?
She's a big fake. Is the hippie bus still there? Yeah.
Lift to the top of the hill, innit? Oh. Lambs, gives a cuddle lambs, gives a cuddle. Right, now I'm off to Manchester, sleep somewhere in Manchester for the night and get up nice and early in the morning, get to my hospital appointment, which hopefully is going to go nice and easy, and then head to Spain again. Parked up a bit different tonight. We're going to have a stop in the city for tonight. It's all about mixing it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.